Good morning, guys. It's early morning. My voice is all broken. Oh gosh. Anyway, yes. So it's been a while since I've kind of like done an update on the house, simply because there hasn't been anything to update. Things had slowed right down. I don't know. Some of you may or may not have noticed that. I've just been so busy doing so many other things. I've not had time to think, stop, even think of myself. Nothing. Like, it's been tough. It's been tough. I won't lie to you guys. But today I've got some other guys coming over. We're gonna try and clear out some of the stuff from the second apartment downstairs, because it's become like some type of storage junk. I don't know what to call it, man. There's a lot of mess down there, and I don't really like mess. So they're coming this morning to help me clear and get rid of some of the stuff that's just lying around, that's just unnecessary. Because I couldn't even bring myself to enter there anymore, because every time I go in there, it just does my nut in. So I'd rather just not look at it. But I think I've got to that point now where it just needs to be done. So that's the plan for today. We're going to tidy that up. The first apartment that I was working on, that one is still in its current form as you last saw it. Nothing else has been done. But I have plans for that coming up very, very soon. I'm hoping that by next month is like in 2 days time. I'm hoping during the month somehow I'm gonna get some stuff done, so you can look out for that. But for today, it's all about clearing up and tidying up that place, because it's terrible. Like, it's really bad, guys. It's really bad. So, mattress going. They've dismantled the bed that was here. You can see all the dust. This is gone a few. That's all the dust on the floor. So looking kind of cray at the moment, but it's okay, because I'll come down here and clean it as long as I can see some space, some floor space. So that's gonna get done. And in the other room is another mess, but that's clearing up too. It's clearing up too. Look. Okay, guys. So just look at the junk here that was in the house. I mean, this is crazy. Look. Just look at this. This is like old mattresses, beds. I mean, look, the kitchen cabinet, the larder unit thing is still here. I have this. I know some of this is not junk, but it's just stuff that I just don't need. So like, we have this thing. Oh, let's see. So like, you see I have this, which I don't actually need. Just so much junk that just had not been cleared out, just storing it. I mean, it's just ridiculous. So, you know me, I'm brutal like that. I don't really form relationships easy with the stuff that's around, so I just want to get rid of it and just clear out the place. Well, I say get rid of it. I'm not throwing it away. I'm actually giving it away to someone, because it makes sense. Someone else will make better use of it than me. There's just so much stuff. We've just spent about probably almost 2 hours just clearing out the junk. So let's see. Yeah, some of it is sentimental, but ain't no time to be sentimental right now, okay? I need to get these apartments ready, so yeah. Okay, so that was a lot of work. It's all cleared out now. Look, take a look at the room now. I mean, before this was terrible, but now I have a clear space, so I can kind of work with what I've got. I've still got a few things in the corner here, but that's okay. That'll be sorted out. These are all for some. Oh, they left the basket. Okay, never mind. Anyway, yeah, so it will all get sorted out. So I'm really happy that that's clear, and even the living room too. The living room area was terrible, but you can see again, nice and clear for the most part. This chair, I need to get it repaired. It's damaged, and so I've just put it on its side. I need to get a carpenter to do that. But yeah, man, I feel like I've really accomplished something today. Like, it feels really good. It's now getting to 12, and I feel like I'm good for today. I've done everything that I need to do, so that feels amazing. Like, honestly speaking, I stopped coming in here because I can't stand a mess. It just irritates me so much, and so I just avoided coming in here just because I couldn't deal with having to deal with the mess. But now they've cleared everything out, it feels so good. So they came and took the stuff, and then I was like, oh, so how much do I owe you? He was like, madam, we don't do that. We don't do that. You have given us all these things we'll be paying for. We've come to take it, you've given it to us, we don't need to pay anything, you don't do that. I was like, oh, okay, good. It was a win-win, really. They got all the stuff for free, and I got to clear my space. So I'm really, really, really pleased at that. So I have a few plans for what I'm gonna do here. So this is the second apartment. This apartment, nothing has happened in here. In fact, here, I'm not even gonna start anything in here until I'm able to do the first apartment and get that done. To a standard where I can rent it out, and the front has got to be done. So there's a lot of work there to be done. As you can see behind me, this side of the wall is not even plastered yet. So this side, we're not really touching it, but I just wanted to clear here. Sorry, it's freaking me out. It was the noise of the door. I just wanted to clear in here to make sure that I could just think at least. So I was able to give away loads of clothes as well. Clothes that have been here for the children for like the longest time, that just needed to be sorted out. I think there was a few bits there that I need to take upstairs. Yes, so feeling good. Okay, so I'm in the second apartment now, the one that we're actually doing up. So if you can see, nothing has changed. Zero has happened in here. Okay, I still need to arrange for someone to come and give me a quote for the kitchen. But before I do that, I think I need to do the POP first, right? I think. Anyway, whichever way it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen. So yeah, the whole place needs to be done. You can see like the walls are really dirty and stuff like that. Over here, the toilet was pulled out of the bathroom too here. And I just noticed today that this part was actually cracked. Can you see it's got a massive crack going across it there? So because of that, I'm gonna have to get a cistern, because I was hoping that we could have just put the toilet back. We removed it because over here, if I take you to the bathroom area right here, okay, the toilet was here, and it just didn't make sense from this side, like the hallway here, to see the toilet directly in front of you. It just made no sense. It was there when we moved in, and it just remains there. So now we're doing it up. We're gonna move it from here to here. So this was where the sink was, so we're going to switch places. So the sink will be here and the toilet will be there. The shower's here, which was already there. This was already done, so it just needs some cleaning up and some tidying up. The whole place just needs tidying up, really and truly. I really want to do this like, do you know what I mean? Like that, like it's got to look like that. So I'm about to put in some work and get this done pretty soon. I'm giving myself a timeline of, say, okay, we're at the end of June now, so I reckon by August, I'm saying it on camera now, by August, I'm gonna have this place finished, right? As long as the tradespeople can do it within the time, I'm gonna try my best. That's quite a lot of pressure on me there, right? But I want to get it done, and I feel like sometimes if you don't set yourself a goal, a proper goal, like with a deadline, it just doesn't happen. It just gets delayed and delayed and delayed. So yes, I am going to get it done. I just want to get it finished now. Yeah, it just needs to be done. I don't like having things done in half, and nothing is actually happening. So because of that, I need to finish this, and then I can check it off the list. Just get it done. I've got a big, massive, long to-do list, so I'm gonna get these things done ASAP. So you will be hearing from me very soon. I didn't really want to like try and give updates so often because I just feel like there's no point. So that's why you haven't heard anything on the apartments, because basically nothing has been happening. at all. Nothing has happened. In fact, I haven't opened this door for some time. It's been a long time since I've opened the door. But yeah, we're gonna get it done. It's gonna be done and you guys will see it. I'm gonna show you the transformation, you get me? But anyway, I'm so tired today, right? Because honestly speaking, after we finished the clearing up, I did not realize how tired I was until I went upstairs and like, my legs were almost shaking. Okay, I'm exaggerating. Then my legs weren't shaking, but I was just tired. I think the sun had beat me a bit, so I've got to take it easy, guys. I've got just so much on my plate. It's not a good place to be, but I'm gonna work something out very soon. But anyway, that's enough talking for me. I don't feel like I need to talk anymore. Yeah, so that's it. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please, I would love it if you do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget, like, comment and share this video. Until next time, I'm out. Naughty Papa.